I've never been. You do things that make me a better man, and bus stops they turn into hours spent rambling on. One look and you got the best of me. 4 feet take us where we wanna be. 3 words that would be the death of me. Chances are we'll end up in a bar tonight where drinks turn off the filter right, put in place to hide things we both know. It's obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane and leave behind the closest thing to home, away from home. My mind won't forget nights like these ones. I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side. I'm falling before I go again. Falling, I'm falling before I go again. We talk late at night like we're Letterman. We're deeper right now than I've ever been. Overthinking this would be irrelevant. Chances are we'll end up in a bar tonight where drinks turn off the filter right, put in place to hide things we both know. It's obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane and leave behind the closest thing to home, away from home. My mind won't forget nights like these ones. I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side. I'm falling before I go again.
So I just arrived at my new guest house. You can't see here, but there is a banana tree right here. And here's the entrance. So this is the Chuda guest house. And of course, you have to have these guard protectors. These are shisa. In Okinawa, they bring good luck. So let's see here. We have a gate. This is our first test. Oh, I passed. Very cool. Oh my gosh, this is like a traditional Okinawan style home. Oh, this is so cool. So I have this entire space to myself, and I'm renting this house for almost no money at all compared to a lot of other places you can stay. Cool. Of course, you have to have your gnomes. And next to your shisa, of course, your cool frog. And I guess there's also bikes that we can use for free. All right, let's go inside here. Let's see what this place is all about. Wow. All the lights are already on. It's so cool. Wow. This place is big. Okay, you know what? We're gonna start over in this direction here and walk through. Let's see. We got our sink here, towels, razors. We got, this is so cool. This is a traditional Okinawan style house. Our bathroom here. Okay, so the first place we have some bunk beds. I guess this is for the kids that would stay here. I don't know if I'm gonna sleep in here, probably not. So we have our washer and dryer. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. And our bathroom. So we have our super deep bathtub, just to show you how deep this thing is. Oh my gosh. Wow. This thing is super, super deep. So this is a super, super cool bathtub. It's probably one of the deepest bathtubs I've ever seen in my life. I don't really know why I'm in here, other than I was just in the mood to go into a bathtub. So maybe we should see the rest of the house together. Now we have another door. This might go outside. Oh no, this is the toilet. So in Japan, it is very, very common to have the toilet separate from the shower, right? Because they don't want the two together. So you have your toilet here, you actually have a little separate little sink here. Wow, that's pretty cool. I guess that's like a lot of toilet paper rolls in case you need it. So that is the toilet area. And now we're gonna check out the new spot here. Oh yeah, we got a nice little kitchen here. We got our nice clean stove. Oh yeah, this is great for cooking. In Japan, I've noticed that a lot of places do not have dishwashers. Basically every place I've ever stayed has not had a dishwasher. I've visited homes that have, so it's pretty common just to do your own dishes, I guess. And they give you everything you need, the drying rack and so on. So if you come to Japan, you visit and you stay at some place, most likely, unless you pay a lot of money, you're not gonna have your own dishwasher. Here we are with our table and chair in this cool little room right here. Looks like they left a message for me. Welcome, Justin. Please separate the garbage. The garbage collection box is on the right side of the entrance. Thank you. And a little smiley face. All right. Very direct. I was hoping for a little bit of a different message, but okay, I guess that's fine. Warning. Do not be noisy. Don't do barbecue after 8 p.m. outside. The police coming. And we have this female police officer saluting. She is not happy. And we have this dude who's a huge head looking outside the car. You do not want the big head police officer coming to this place. Because if you barbecue after 8 p.m. and you're noisy, these two are gonna make your life regrettable. We're going to the next room. I guess there is a remote control for the light because, yes, there is light. Awesome. And one of the first things I noticed, they, I guess, let you have these traditional Okinawan shirts to wear. I guess they're traditional, maybe they're just Hawaiian. I have no idea. But these are really nice. Oh, this one's cool. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this one. You got zebra, you have giraffe, toucan. I don't think this is a traditional Okinawan shirt, and I don't think this one is either. I don't even know what traditional Okinawan clothes look like, but I'm guessing that is not it. Now, this floor is called tatami, and tatami is a special kind of floor in Japan, and you definitely want to be really, really careful, and you don't want to wear dirty shoes on it because it's really difficult to clean. And this is kind of a more traditional style floor that you would see. And I think there is a second tatami room over here. Let's turn the light on first. Yes, it worked. So we have our second tatami room here, and we have like kind of a traditional type table with our chairs. You can see underneath, it doesn't go down. So you basically sit in this. This protects your back. And this is where people have dinner and they sit together and drink and have a good time. So another traditional floor. Then we have some beautiful artwork here from Okinawa. And we have more shisas. And a TV. Yes, and a DVD player. This is awesome. Please take the mattress yourself. I will. Oh, another warning. Don't be noisy. I want to meet the person who made these posters. They deserve an award for being awesome. Yes, so basically in Japan, what you do is this area here is for eating and sleeping. It saves space, so you can move this table to the side, or you can just set the futon and stuff here. So we have our main futon, which is very thick. It's actually very comfortable. We have our pillow and comforter here, and you can set this up to sleep on. And in the morning when you wake up, you put it back. As the maid says here, please take the mattress yourself and put it back. This one's locked, so does not want us going in there. In Japan, in recycling, oftentimes it is unburnable So there's a lot of English here. I guess they wrote it for me. So you have bottles and cans. Please remove the PET bottle label and cap. Wow. Okay, so this is like strict recycling here. You can't just throw the bottle in, you have to take care of it first. And then burnables, and that means burnable garbage. So, okay. And then it says plastic bottles here. So we'll have to figure that out. Yes. Oh man, this is an awesome kitchen. So we have our rice cooker, hot water. We got our cups here, very Japanese style for tea. Oh, actually already gave us tea and sugar. Oh, this is fantastic. Yeah, I don't know what this is down here. These are, I think, empty bottles of alcohol. Actually, there's a little bit in there. Here, we actually have a bar ready for us, which I did not expect. I don't know if this is free. I'm guessing it is because it is free because they're already open. So there's different types of alcohol. I've never seen this before where they just kind of like have used bottles of alcohol just kind of sitting around to drink, but cool. Okay, sounds good. We have our 80s style radio, our little oven. We have our gas stove here, microwave, and refrigerator. Oh yeah, this thing is ready to go. Unfortunately, there's no shared ice cream waiting for me. All right, so we are at the guest house. Let's see what we got. For a while, apparently there's 12 different titles. I'm excited to see what they have. And what else? Oh, no barbecue till 8. Okay, remember the rules. Oh, here we are again. We are warned again. Don't be noisy, no barbecue. They will not be happy. So I just discovered this remote and I'm so pumped because I can actually change the colors. I don't know why they have this, but I'm very appreciative of the fact that they have something so cool. So I can change different gradients. Now I'm like 90% colorblind, so it's not really gonna be that great, but you know what? The fact that I can do it, that means a lot to me.